Good afternoon. It is April 9th, 2025, and today, um, the other day I heard Mac refer to this bull doji day as the craziest trading day he's ever seen. I'm curious what he's going to have to say about this one because today was it was pretty crazy today. It was really an up day, and we were in this bull channel, and then we pulled back. It looked here like we were going to break out, but you can see they hit some resistance here, pulled back to the EMA and the trend line, and then just poof. And I don't know anything about news items, but I saw that there was a 10-year bond auction, so I don't know if that's what this has to do with. Look at that. I'm just seeing this right now. Look at that beautiful second entry long off the EMA. So there was a way to get in on this. There was a way to profit tremendously. I'm just going to take a look at the 6,500 tick chart because everything else is way too big. All right, we start here. So um, even this, I wasn't even looking at that a whole lot. The 6,500 tick chart. It's way easier to see on these higher time frames. You got this channel. So we'll take a look at it. We'll take a look at it here, but yeah, it starts here. All right, so you do get this bull move in the overnight right here, but that just looked like it was part of a range to me from starting from yesterday. So I wasn't really, um, looking for any bull moves. Uh, so let's say you start looking here. Could you take this? I mean, yeah, you could take that. It's not, you're going into potential resistance at the EMA. So I marked it, but I don't really like that. Come up here, you get some overlap here. Boom, we break out to the high side right there. You get a bounce. I'm not really crazy about any of these. This looks like a spike in channel to me. So unfortunately, you get this higher low, but you're going into longs, and this isn't a convincing bull trend just yet. You get this bear bar. Boom, we're below the EMA. Mostly sideways here. Second entry, but again, mostly sideways. I would say this looks like a range. Breakout to the high side, it fails. Boom, lower high, and we break out. Um, and we get confirmation of this trend right here. So you could take this and look at that as like a second leg down. Makes sense. That's confirmation of the trend line. You have plenty of room back to the EMA. I think there's a good argument for going long there. We bounce, come back up here, find some resistance, sell off, bounce again on that trend line. And unfortunately, you don't get a second entry. But this does look like a two-legged pullback. So you could argue that that's a two-legged pullback, big bull bar off the trend line. We get two legs up. You get this huge bar right here. Looks like it might be an exhaustion bar, but clearly something else happened. And you get this huge move up. And so I saw this in real time. Uh, this is something I want to point out. Is you have, what looks like uh, it could be a range. We have this Obviously this huge move up, break, move to a new high, still haven't touched the EMA. We get a bear channel that breaks through the EMA. And then you get a break of that bear channel and a move to a new low. And you just happen to get a very strong bear bar near these lows. And so to me, that I was like, I was on the simulator anyway, so it wouldn't matter. But I was like, that I might have to buy down here. So I think you can buy this bear close. Um, you're buying low in a range, uh, and that turned out to be, I think, the low for the rest of the day. But it's just an exhaustion. It's bear exhaustion. Turns out to be a good move. You could buy this two-legged pullback, I guess. Not very convincing breakout though, so I'd probably wait. You get a higher low here, the signal bar's no good, and you get matching lows right here. So I would say reasonable to try and get in right here. And this channel just withers away, and I'm not going short here, so just because of how strong that bull move is. And then I mean, look, you get this channel. The bull, the bull, the bull move is so strong that you want to be buying. And so you want to look for any level of support you can find. So if you think that boom, we made this low twice, we bounced here, boom, then try and buy with a limit order and maybe just go for put your stop at a measured move and put your target beyond a measured move. And you should still be holding on to that. Even though we got a break, maybe you take profits when you get a break, uh, which is probably an insane profit, 53.70. That's 100 points profit probably. Um, but if you wait, it bounces here. Look at that second entry long right there. Uh, I'll delete that. That's the first entry. So when it bounces here, put your stop there. Bounces here, put your stop there. Bounces here, I'd probably put my stop here and take profits in here. Yeah, the market closed now. So look, here's one more look at it. Crazy, crazy day. Here's what the weekly chart is looking like, and the monthly is still like a bear doji. So I hope everyone had a great day, and I'll be back tomorrow.